Hello, this is a call to arms. You and I need to step up now. We've done it before whenever it was needed, and now is the time to do it again. Americans have the most advanced supply chain in the world. Let's put it to the task of defeating COVID-19. If we need 1 billion surgical masks to protect our healthcare workers and citizens, let's get it done. No, let's make 10 billion and send them wherever they're needed. We've already seen COVID spread like wildfire. So this is a humanity-wide event. And let's take care of our healthcare providers and first responders first. We need to protect them so they will be there to protect us. Respirators, ventilators, whatever we need, the resources are already here. We have the people to make it happen. The Army Corps of Engineers can build things like nobody's business, and our transportation system is way up to the job. So let's get over the shock of COVID-19 and let's fight back. That is what we do. Any company in the United States needing to set up manufacturing operations can call me and we will provide our manufacturing solution at no charge, along with assistance to get up and running. My name is John Miller. My company is Passport Software. My phone number is 847-729-7900, and we're here to help and we want to help. This is time to help America.